Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are on the second video review of our unboxing of the DT99 Smartwatch. Again, this is the DT99 Smartwatch from DT number 1. And as you can see here, we have a sporty, okay, premium looking smartwatch from the company. Okay, let's have a closer look at the design. Okay, very slim. I guess this is one of the slimmest smartwatch we have here. Okay, at smartwatch specification, and also one of the lightest. Okay, with a metal frame. Okay, some smartwatches do have a lighter body frame because they have a PC material. This one, it is a metal body frame, but the company was still able to make it very light. Okay, so let's check on the different menus and features. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your question if you do have that time. Okay, let's start. Again, very slim black border here, touchscreen interface, rotating crown button. So let's check on the UI and the menus of the smartwatch. On top, we have the quick settings. Okay, we have the brightness here, music player. So this is about the information about your smartwatch, and a QR code. What else we have here? SOS and other options. We also have here the volume adjustment. Okay, on the other side, we have the split screen. On the right side, we have the different menus here, including the heart rate, okay, and other features here. So you can add on a feature. Okay, on the bottom part, okay, we have the menus. Okay, go back. Okay, so that's the way. Okay, just swipe to go back to the home screen. Okay, I thought it's like this. No. Okay, so let's check on the different menus and features of the DT99 smartwatch. Again, we have here a phone that is for the Bluetooth call. We have messages for the message notifications, contacts and call records, again for the Bluetooth call. We have fitness data, okay, with graph. As you can see here, you can access it here right on the smartwatch. It monitors the steps, distance, and calories. We have sports. We will go back to that later. We have heart rate. We have ECG, blood pressure. We have blood oxygen monitoring, calendar. We also have NFC. This is for the security door. What else do we have? We have blood pressure, blood oxygen, stopwatch, music control, sleep monitoring. Let's check. We have time zone. Nice. But you have to connect it, I guess, to the smartphone. We have weather report, my QR code, GPS motion trajectory. It is using the built-in GPS of your smartphone that is connected GPS. We have time settings, so you can set it to 12 or 24-hour format time. Some of the affordable smartwatches in the market is set to 24-hour format time only. We have compass. Okay, nice. Again, it has a built-in compass. We have alarm clock, flashlight, emergency control or contacts. Okay, Qibla, what's this? Qibla direction, religious time, find phone, breath training, lady assistant, menu style. How many menu style we have? we have at least 8 menu style. We will check on that on our other video review. We have the shutdown here, air pressure sensor, and we have the App Store. You can add additional apps here from the Wear Pro application. On our settings, we have language support, dial switch, screen on and off, okay, saving mode, password, ringtone settings for our, I guess this ringtone settings is for our Bluetooth call. As you can see here, phone ring, message tone, and alarm clock. You can set it, okay, different tone settings for your smartwatch. Okay, let's go with our sports function. Where is our sport? We have the sports. We have outdoor sports. Very good. It is categorized into different category here. Okay, it will be easy for you to look for the sports. We have indoor activities. We have cycling here, fitness sports, movement dance, fight sports, ball games, snow sports, leisure, puzzle, water, and swimming. So as you can see, we have swimming, meaning this smartwatch do have a very good waterproof protection. And for the sports, I guess it has over 100 sports based on the data here. Okay, we have ball games, puzzle sports, and other sports here. Okay, even driving here and triathlon. Okay, for outdoor sports, as you can see here, we have parkour, walk, mountaineering, climbing, and other popular outdoor sports. Okay, so we do have a very comprehensive list of sports for our DT99 smartwatch. How about the heart rate here? Okay, so basic, or we have a familiar UI here. And the good thing about this heart rate monitoring, it is not just a random heart rate monitor. It can detect whether you are using the smartwatch or not. We also have a blood pressure. I guess the same sensor here. It will alert if you are not wearing it. Yes, the same. Blood oxygen. Okay. So far, this smartwatch is impressive. Okay. It is loaded with a comprehensive list of sports as well as other features. And you can install additional app that is available only in the support app Wear Pro application, as you can see here. Okay, it's getting better and better for the Wear Pro app. And it's already preloaded with different watch faces. Again, this is the DT99 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. For the product link, check out the links below on the description. Bye!